Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pepperoni pizza spaghetti bake. Alright, I'm starting out here with a pound of ground beef. I browned it up and I seasoned it with my go-to seasoning, McCormick's pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic, or some onion or some bell pepper, all the good stuff that you love. Now I turn my heat off, I drain the grease off, just as you can see there. I'm putting a jar of tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce in there. This is a really quick and easy throw together casserole that won't break the bank, and it's easy and quick to make. So I'm just going to stir the sauce into the ground beef, and we're warming the sauce up a little bit. We don't have to worry about it too much because this is going in the oven. Alright, a 9 by 13 baking pan I spray with some canola oil. I'm going to get my meat sauce in there. We're going to put this bake together. I really can't call it a casserole because I'm calling it a bake. I'm going to go ahead and stir my sauce, meat sauce, down into the spaghetti. And this is a pound of spaghetti that I've cooked to the directions on the box. I like my spaghetti tender. If you like yours al dente, cook it to the al dente directions. You just want to stir it up and get your sauce worked down through the pasta. Alright, that's looking good. And I have it sitting on a sheet pan. I don't think that this is going to cook over, but just in case. Alright, now I'm going to take some shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put a healthy coating on the spaghetti. Alright, that's looking good. And I'm going to add some shredded Parmesan, only because I have it. This is optional, but it will make it taste that much more better. So let me get this bag open. Alright, let me add that on there. And this you don't need as much because Parmesan cheese is a little salty and it's more pungent than mozzarella. Alright, now we're going to put some pepperoni on here. And I'm going to layer this with pepperoni. Alright, now that I have all of my pepperoni on here, I'm going to hit it with a little Italian seasoning, part of my reach. Now I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes till the cheese melts and the pepperoni starts to get a little curled up and cooked. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven. It went for 15 minutes. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now if you like yours extra sauce, you can use 2 jars of sauce. Maybe that's what I'll do next time. It's really good. Spaghetti seasoned nice with that sauce. And the seasoning I put in the ground beef. Plus some of that pepperoni oil went down in there. Let me try this. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy. And the best part about it is Dexter's thrilled because I didn't cook chicken tonight. Pepperoni pizza spaghetti bake. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.